Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Apple is gearing up the iPhone 17 series with the addition of the Pro Max variant. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is a premium device. Its large display, advanced AI capabilities, and pro-level camera upgrades make it the definitive choice for those who need for the best. Now let's get into the specifications. Take a look display. There will be LTPO Super Retina HDR OLED touchscreen display and measuring a massive 6.9 inches screen size with a crisp 1320 by 2868 pixel resolution and 120 Hz refresh rate. Smartphone will have a triple camera system that is made up of 48 megapixel all three sensors at the back and a 24 megapixel camera on the front. iPhone 17 Pro Max will be powered by Apple A19 Pro 3nm chipset. It features a new 6-core hexa-core CPU and a 6-core GPU. This means faster on-device processing for features and image generation. The new iPhone 17 Pro Max will have 12 GB of RAM and it offers 3 storage options: 256, 512 GB and 1 TB of internal memory, which will allow users to store a large amount of data on the device in a convenient manner. There is also the possibility that the new 17 Pro Max might be fitted with a large 5000 mAh battery or might be equipped with a bigger one with a variety of charging options depending on the configuration. If you are a content creator, a gamer or a power user who can't stand a dead battery, the iPhone 17 Pro Max will deliver. The expected starting price of around $1,230. That's all for now. Friends, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.